Deep within the heart of an untouched jungle, nature thrives in its purest form. But hidden here, a forgotten relic awaits a new destiny. A century-old abandoned bus. Its metal shell tells tales of a bygone era, now reclaimed by the wild. Dilapidated and forgotten, its interior is a canvas of decay, awaiting transformation. Imagine this, a vision of luxury, seamlessly integrated into this vibrant jungle ecosystem. Can this forgotten relic truly be reborn as a breathtaking, luxurious sanctuary? Our journey began with discovery, a team captivated by the bus's potential. Inspired by nature, they envisioned a unique blend of luxury and sustainability. The core concept: harmonize with the jungle, maximizing space and natural light. First, clearing the path. A delicate balance of access and preservation. The bus is stripped down to its bare frame, removing decades of rust and debris, reinforcing the chassis, preparing a stable foundation for its new life in the jungle. Overcoming challenges, weather, terrain, and the sheer will to transform. New structural elements expand the bus's footprint, creating spacious extensions. Framing for panoramic windows and doors, inviting the jungle indoors. The roof structure takes shape, integrating seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Sustainable materials and innovative techniques define this eco-conscious build. Plumbing, electrical, and insulation systems are meticulously installed. The interior design process begins, selecting materials, furniture, and fixtures. Custom elements like built-in seating, kitchenettes, and spa-like bathrooms take shape. Exterior cladding, decking, and landscaping create inviting outdoor living spaces. Smart home technology and off-grid solutions ensure modern comfort and sustainability. The grand reveal: a luxury jungle mansion, perfectly blended with its environment. A spa-like bathroom with natural light, and a cozy bedroom with unique design elements. Every detail, from bespoke furniture to high-end finishes, speaks of luxury. As evening falls, ambient lighting creates a magical, enchanting atmosphere. People enjoying the space, emphasizing comfort and connection to nature. A final drone shot, revealing the bus mansion nestled perfectly in the jungle. From forgotten relic to luxurious sanctuary, a triumph of transformation. A testament to sustainable design, innovation, and finding luxury in unexpected places. What forgotten treasures await your vision? The possibilities are endless.